English for Everyone. Coursebook. Level 3, Intermediate. Lesson 40.
I can't find the compass. I might have dropped it earlier. I don't remember this path. We might be lost. It's very cold outside. It might snow later on.
We might have taken a wrong turn at the river. It might be windy at the top of the mountain. Joe might not come walking with us next weekend.
Paris looks romantic. I might take John there next weekend. I can't find my purse. I might have left it on the metro. Don't disturb him. He might be sleeping. I might go out later if it stops raining. I don't know where we are. We might have taken the wrong turn. I might be wrong, but I think the answer is A. When we're in Venice, I might ask him to marry me. Show everyone her photograph. Someone might have seen her. Cameron might be stuck in traffic. He should be here by now.
He might have got lost. He might have got lost. He might not have found the path. He might not have found the path.
Alan might not have read the map correctly. Georgia might have walked around the lake. They might not have reached the valley yet. We might have left the supplies at the tent. Horace might not have climbed the mountain.
I might not have seen Iris at the lake. Dad might have bought me a new compass. They might not have crossed the river yet. Jonah might have pitched the tent by now. I can't find my map. I might not have packed it. Don might have hiked over the mountain already.
Phoebe, we might not have gone in the right direction.
Yes, I think we're lost.
Let's look at the map and try to find where we are. I think we might be on Blue Mountain. Look, there's that forest marked on the map down there. And over there, that might be Reef Canyon. See?
I think you're right, Javid. So the mountain we saw yesterday might have been Mount Carlton. What a shame the weather was so bad. We didn't even recognize it. Ah well, which way next?
Well, let's get down this mountain and through the forest.
No thanks. I don't think it's safe. We might see a hungry bear.
OK, let's go back the way we came. We'll pack up the tent and head back to the hotel in Peace Valley. If we hurry, we might get there before nightfall.
End of lesson 40.